Hi friends, today I am going to talk about the data flow task. Data flow task mainly used to load the data from one source to another destination. Okay, the source and destination type it can be anything like kind of MySQL, Oracle, MS SQL Server, even some other data bases you can use it. Okay, so then for doing this right, easily you can load data from by connecting any source to any destination. Correct. So for that purpose, we are using data flow task. Okay, let me open new packages. So I'm just renaming. So how you can do data flow task, right? So just drag and drop data flow task here. So once you drag and drop, just double click this. You have to define that source and destination here. Source you need to select flat file source because I'm just going to load CSV file data to MS SQL Server. Okay, just to open the flat file source and create new connection. Browse and select the file which you want to load into SQL Server. Okay, so here column name in the first data row. That means the first row in the CSV file it's a column name. It's denoting that checkbox already enabled. So if you see here row delimiter and column delimiter, correct? The row delimiter for CSV file always will be like this, column delimiter here comma because the CSV file always denoted by comma. So here if you see ID, first name, last name, all are string only. Here if you see here data type is string, correct? Here also string. Why this is happening? So because whenever we are loading data from files, right, it will be automatically considered as a string. Okay, we need to if you want to convert and that as per our database object, right, then you need to convert manually. For example, I'm going to load that CSV file into this table, employee table, but ID it's considered as a integer, right? We have created this employee table with the ID of integer. Okay, so then you need to convert this ID to integer. You need to select 4 byte sign integer. You have to convert it manually. Okay, click OK. So now you have to define the destination. So I'm using OLEDB destination. So this OLEDB it will make connection to our MS SQL server by using the connection driver, OLEDB connection driver. So now create new ODBC connection. I'm just giving new. Sir, see the provider you need to select OLEDB provider driver for SQL Server. Microsoft OLEDB driver for SQL Server. Then you just select the server name and use the initial catalog means it's a database name. I am using this HCM is a database name. Is the connection. Okay. Now click OK. So now select the table name. So in this employee table, I want to load the data. So mapping. If you say mapping, so automatically the mapping happen. Why means because CSV file column name, whatever there in the CSV file, and also this is the destination. It's a MS SQL Server database table object, right? That columns both are same. Column names are same. So that's why mapping happened automatically. If there is mapping not happen, then just you need to do how right. Just drag and drop like this if mapping is not present means. So the situation when will come, maybe the name itself is different between source and destination, then you want to map, then only you need to do manually. Okay, click OK. So now save it and just go and check in the table if there is any data or not. So there is no data. So now you just run the package. See 1002 records loaded. Now check how many records loaded. 1002 records loaded. Okay. So this is the way you have to play around with the data flow task. Guys, I hope you understand well. So please subscribe my channel if you like. Also comment me if you need any other clarification. Okay, thank you so much.